Ready to turn your kitchen into a functional and fabulous space without breaking the bank? With these budget-friendly makeover projects and DIY storage solutions, you can kiss cluttered counters and lost kitchen gadgets goodbye. From floating shelves to pull-out drawers, we've got a variety of options that will inspire you to organize your kitchen and show off your personal style quickly. So why wait? Jump right in and find out which storage solution fits your needs best after checking out the video. Here, we'll unlock 10 budget-friendly and DIY-friendly kitchen storage queue ideas. And hey, if you find this video useful, give that subscribe button a friendly pump. Number 10. Turn IKEA Expedit into handy kitchen island with wheels. Complete your kitchen with a handy kitchen island on wheels. This furniture will give you extra space to prepare meals, storage to store your cooking utensils, and a versatile solution for your kitchen organization needs. You'll just need some wooden boards to build the body, wheels, a countertop, and a set of IKEA Expedit units. A secondhand one works just fine too. Start by assembling the Expedit unit into a rack. Once that's done, cut a wooden board to create the countertop and place it on the assembled rack. Be sure to drill it securely so everything holds together. After that, install the wheels and get ready to build your island. For the countertop, cut the wooden board so it's wider than the rack's top. Then mount it to the wall, using an L bracket underneath for support. Finally, use legs to support the part of the countertop that isn't attached to the wall. 9. Make a new cabinet from cheap cubes. Who says cheap cubes can't make sturdy storage? This cabinet proves otherwise. While this is designed as a bathroom cabinet, you can easily adapt this idea for your kitchen. To create the cabinet, you'll need 2 closet-made cube organizers. Next, cut 2x3s to make the legs and attach them to each cube's sides. Then, cut a 3.25-inch MDF piece for the bottom shelf of each cube. For a more polished look, add a 2x2 to the top and bottom of each side. After that, cut 1x4 furring strips to create the top. Finally, install a beadboard panel with hinges to make the door. 8. Another kitchen island transformation with storage and an extra breakfast nook. Building this multi-purpose kitchen island is a straightforward task. You can repurpose your cube shelf and grab some wood panels to cover the back of the shelving. First, paint the entire surface thoroughly. Then, attach a wooden board as a countertop using screws. Next, add some stools to complete your breakfast nook. Check out thrift stores for old stools. You'll definitely save some cash. If the seating looks a bit worn, refresh them by changing the upholstery. Once that's done, just place the stools around the island. 7. Turn an IKEA Kallax into a kitchen island. You can build a kitchen island with an IKEA Kallax shelf unit, but you'll also need different sizes of wood panels for the base and the countertop. First, assemble the IKEA Kallax shelf unit. Next, take some 2x4s, cut into 2 pieces that are 57.75 inches long and 2 pieces that are 12.5 inches long. Lay them on their side and secure them together to create the frame. After that, lay the frame on the floor and place the IKEA Kallax on top, securing them together. Then, install 4 sliders in each corner. Now, grab your 1x2s, lay them across the shelf, and secure them. Make sure your IKEA Kallax stands properly, and then install the countertop using 1x10s. Finally, add finishing trim. Number 6. The L-shaped Expedit Kitchen Island Project. The L-shaped Expedit kitchen combines a bar and kitchen island into one. To create this furniture, you'll need 2 IKEA Expedit, a Vika Amand tabletop, Vika Kari table legs, just the top part, 4 Besta legs, some drawers, and screws. Start by assembling the Expedits, then use brackets to screw them together. Next, attach the Vika Kari tops to the tabletop and drill holes into the Expedit for screws from the bottom. Finally, add some colorful drawers from Sweden Punk for an extra pop. 5. How to transform wooden cubes into a minibar. Buying a finished cabinet for your minibar can get pricey. Instead, why not transform a cube into one using some DIY tricks? First, lightly sand the entire surface to make painting easier. Next, attach 4 hairpin legs to the bottom of the cube cabinet. After that, paint the outer surface of the cabinet in a color that matches the hairpin legs. Once you're done, install some wine glass hangers in the top section of the cube unit, and then you can start loading it up. Number 4. A dining table cube idea with storage. If you have limited kitchen space, think about using multi-purpose furniture, like combining your dining table and storage. To achieve this, grab the set of IKEA Kallax shelf units, 4 legs, a finished pine tabletop, and 3 Olaf adjustable legs. First, assemble the IKEA Kallax shelf unit. Then, attach the capital legs to create a table that's higher than a regular dining table. Once that's done, install the 3 Olaf legs under the countertop and fix the countertop to the Kallax shelf with liquid nails. 3. A kitchen cabinet transformation idea with IKEA Kallax. Another great multi-purpose furniture idea is combining kitchen cabinets with an island. Start by building a base unit using a 2x2 IKEA Kallax shelf, an IKEA Ivarly bamboo shelf, and 4 furniture feet. First, assemble the IKEA Kallax shelf. Then attach the feet to the bottom. Place the IKEA Ivarly bamboo shelf on top and secure it with 4 screws. Number 2. Display your mugs or spices on the cubes. Create a unique and attractive display for your mugs and spices by adding open shelving cubes to your kitchen. You can customize this DIY-friendly project to match your style by building your shelving units with wood panels and painting them to fit your kitchen decor. Or you can buy pre-made cube cabinets and attach them to the wall. Arrange your items in an eye-catching way to add personality to your kitchen and make it easy to find what you need. Before we wrap up our countdown, remember that every like, share, and comment helps us reach a wider audience. If you've watched this far, you know what to do. If the new voice kept you tuned in, give the video some hype to help it reach new heights. But if that feels like too much, just know you've done great by spending your valuable time here. With that, let's close our countdown with a kitchen cabinet idea for your dealcoholized wine collection. Add a custom wine rack to transform your kitchen into a wine lover's paradise. The process is simple. Install a method cabinet and shelves, then add a Kallax insert to hold wine bottles securely in place. Just assemble the wine rack pieces and insert them into the Kallax. This wine rack will be a functional addition to your kitchen, bringing style and sophistication to your home decor while allowing easy access to your bottles for showing off your collection to guests. You can even add lighting and label holders to organize your bottles and make it simple to find the one you're after. Treat yourself and add a wine rack to your kitchen today. Oh, and by the way, at the SimFoam channel, you'll discover a range of lists that you won't find anywhere else. For example, we offer insights like 10 small bedroom ideas with big beds, 10 interior design tips to improve your sleep quality, and 10 creative DIY projects to revamp your shoe storage, among many others. Each list is compiled through extensive research and careful writing, with relevant sources included to enhance your learning experience. So, what are you waiting for? If you have some free time and internet access, follow the link in the description to fully explore what SimFoam has to offer. That's it for now. Before you go, please like this video if you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment or share it with your friends on social media or via email. Lastly, we look forward to seeing you again soon with more videos like this. Until then, thanks for watching.